the huge volcanic eruption off the coast of Tonga in January.
The massive volcanic blast last year in Tonga in the Pacific, it was felt 18,000 kilometers away.
An underwater volcano has erupted in the Pacific island nation of Tonga. Tsunami threats have now been issued in New Zealand and some parts of the United States.
In the vast South Pacific Ocean, a dormant giant has awakened. The Tonga volcano, after weeks of restlessness, has finally erupted. The explosive event has brought forth massive explosions and a breathtaking flow of lava from the crater, capturing the attention of fascinated onlookers. However, this eruption is not without its concerns. It's not only reshaping the land, but also causing tremors that reverberate throughout the region. As the Tonga volcano continues its fiery display, numerous questions arise regarding its potential impact. What exactly unfolded on the once serene island, now ravaged by this volcanic fury? How far has the eruption's reach extended, with towering ash clouds reaching great heights and spreading their veil over vast distances? Most importantly, what measures are being implemented to ensure the safety of those residing in the region, including both locals and unsuspecting visitors? Let's find out. On January 26th, the Tonga volcano unleashed its fury with an unprecedented intensity, forever etching its mark in history. The eruption was unlike anything witnessed before, propelling a towering ash cloud that reached an astonishing 57 kilometers into the sky. The volcanic ash, carried by the wind's capricious whims, blanketed vast stretches of land, stretching for hundreds of kilometers in its wake. As the colossal ash cloud settled, the island of Tonga, once a tranquil paradise, became the epicenter of chaos and destruction. The residents of Tonga, jolted from their slumber, were greeted with a scene of unimaginable devastation. Lava flowed freely from the crater, carving fiery rivers through the landscape, while explosions rocked the air, reverberating with a deafening roar. The once idyllic island had transformed into a battleground between nature's relentless power and the resilience of those who called it home. The Tonga volcano, known as the Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'api volcano, has a long and storied history of eruptions. This stratovolcano, situated in the Pacific Ocean's embrace, has captured the fascination of scientists and adventurers alike. Its eruptions, characterized by colossal ash clouds and flowing lava, have intrigued European explorers since the 19th century. Through dedicated expeditions and research, experts have delved into the heart of this natural wonder, unraveling the mysteries of volcanic behavior and deepening our understanding of these geological marvels. In the modern era, advancements in technology and monitoring techniques have allowed scientists to closely observe the Tonga volcano's activities. Seismic activity, gas emissions, and other vital indicators are meticulously monitored, providing crucial insights into the volcano's behavior and the potential for future eruptions. Back in January 2022, the Tonga volcano unleashed a series of events that left the world in awe and disbelief. The rumblings began on December 20th, 2021, when the volcano started spewing particulates into the stratosphere, leading to predictions of a temporary cooling effect. It was estimated that the eruption column would cause a drop in temperature, despite pumping a staggering 400,000 tons of sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere. However, subsequent investigations revealed that the anticipated cooling effect was unlikely to occur. Nonetheless, a chilling effect of 0.1 to 0.5 degrees Celsius was reported in the southern hemisphere for several months after the eruption, accompanied by the mesmerizing sight of purple sunsets, a remarkable phenomenon witnessed by locals. The eruption of the Tonga volcano had far-reaching consequences that extended far beyond the immediate aftermath. It disrupted weather patterns and persisted into the spring of 2022, leaving a lasting impact on the environment. The resulting starvation and significant changes in weather patterns added to the challenges faced by the affected communities. While the eruption of the Tonga volcano was a rare occurrence, it serves as a reminder that our planet is filled with mysteries and forces that surpass our comprehension. Scientific studies suggest that there are over 1 million undersea volcanoes worldwide, with the majority being extinct. Among them, more than 75,000 rise more than 1 kilometer above the ocean floor. One such example is Krakatoa, a small barren island known for its 2 peaks, where the tallest rises 2,750 feet above sea level. Looking back in history, we find another powerful eruption that left an indelible mark. On the morning of May 20th, 1883, the residents of Batavia, now Jakarta, were shaken by a series of dull booms. Rattling doors and windows added to the sense of unease. Soon, the ominous glow cast by a gigantic column of smoke and ashes, visible even 500 miles to the east in Cirebon, became a sight that would haunt the memory of those who witnessed it. The devastating loss of life caused by the eruption of Krakatoa serves as a sobering reminder of the immense power unleashed by such volcanic events. The devastating loss of life resulting from the Tonga volcano eruption and tsunami of 2022 was heart-wrenching. The true extent of the tragedy unfolded on the morning of the 27th, following a colossal explosion recorded in the Andaman Islands and India. This explosion triggered a massive tide movement along the banks of the strait, wreaking havoc in its wake. Both the Tonga volcanic eruptions of 2022 and the historic eruption of Krakatoa in 1883 were significant events in their respective regions. However, the eruption of Krakatoa was on a much grander scale, earning it a high ranking on the Volcanic Explosivity Index. The impact of the massive eruption on human lives was profound. The hidden hunger lurking in the depths of the ocean unleashed a tsunami that ravaged the island of Tonga, claiming the lives of at least 4 people. The powerful waves generated by the explosion rippled through the vast oceans and atmosphere, wreaking havoc thousands of kilometers away. Tragically, even Peru felt the repercussions, with 2 deaths attributed to the destructive force of the tsunami. The toll on human lives and well-being was staggering. An estimated 85,000 people were affected by this once-in-a-millennium event in Tonga, specifically in the islands of Tonga Tapu and the Hapai Group. These highly populated areas were severely damaged, with critical water supplies disrupted. In Peru, the impact was similarly devastating. Previously thought to occur only once every millennium, this event left a lasting imprint on the affected communities. The financial losses were significant as well. Tonga Tapu, sustaining an estimated $69 million in damages, bore the brunt of the destruction. Other islands, such as Ata and Mango, suffered near total devastation. Over 300 residential buildings were damaged or completely destroyed, adding up to a staggering $43.7 million in damage costs. The tourism sector, which displays a vital role in Tonga's economy, suffered a severe blow as hotels, wharves, and worker housing were reduced to ruins. The agricultural sector, a lifeline for many Tongans, was also severely affected. Typhoon-related damages impacted 85% of agricultural families across the country, resulting in losses and damages amounting to $20.9 million. Crop losses and damage to shallow reefs dealt a severe blow to reef fisheries. Furthermore, the infrastructure, including roads, causeways, and electrical systems, suffered substantial damage. In the wake of this catastrophe, the World Bank provided immediate relief by donating $8 million in emergency finance to Tonga. This aid aimed to restore basic services and support the most vulnerable families. The damages to marine water supply infrastructure and the undersea cable were estimated at $20.9 million. Cleanup costs for structures and concrete roads were projected to be around $5 million. The road to recovery was long and arduous for the affected communities. However, with the support and resilience of the people, Tonga began the process of rebuilding, healing, and restoring their beloved nation to its former glory. That pretty much wraps this video up, guys. Thanks for watching. So, what do you think would happen if the Tonga volcano unleashed its complete fury upon the world? Share with us in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel with a bell notification if you enjoy watching our content. We upload some awesome stuff here, which you will most certainly enjoy. Hit a like on this video and leave a comment below. See you guys in the next one.